Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to compare heat pumps versus furnace to determine which is the better heat source for your home. Watch until the end to discover the significant differences and choose the right one. So the main difference between a heat pump and a furnace is the cost. When starting from scratch, the cost of setting up a heat pump system and a furnace can vary significantly. Heat pumps typically cost $3,500 to $4,500, which can go even higher depending on the complexity and the size of the pump you're going for. On the other hand, furnaces typically cost between $4,000 and $4,500 to set up. However, if your home can easily access natural gas, then a furnace will be an affordable option. But generally, comparing costs, heat pumps are more affordable to install. Design and space. This is another important consideration when choosing either of the two heating solutions, as they are worlds apart in their design. Heat pumps are conspicuous and set up in a large standalone unit in the backyard of your home. This does not only attract unnecessary attention, but it eats up your yard space. On the other hand, furnaces attract less attention as they are installed within the house, mostly in attics or basements. Hence, they're a great option if your yard is small and cannot take up a heat pump or any heating solution. So, furnaces are a great option for anyone looking for a less conspicuous heating solution. General maintenance. Maintenance is key if you want to ensure that your heating system lasts a long time. When it comes to maintenance, heat pumps require significantly more than furnaces. That's because furnaces are equipped with fewer mechanical parts, meaning the breakdowns will be less. Furnaces are therefore easy to maintain. Comparison table. From the table, you can tell that there is a significant difference in the price for both units, and a considerable difference in their sizes. Also, the maintenance need of both units differs significantly, making furnaces the better one. Similarities. Both offer good heating properties to your home. However, if you're looking for an environmentally safe way to heat your house, heat pumps are the way to go. Verdict. So, which is better? A furnace is the best option for your home because it requires low maintenance. Also, it occupies very little space, making it perfect for different-sized homes. However, heat pumps offer you an environmentally safe way of heating your house. Please make sure to like this video and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.